coins, you should expect to see a doubling of the Shiba Inu pricing tonight, quite large SHIB updates. Shiba Inu and the introduction of Shibarium are just two examples of the many new coins and tokens that are contributing to the growing popularity and acceptance of cryptocurrencies. An upcoming Ethereum-based Layer 2 blockchain network specifically for Shibarium, it will turn the meme coin Shiba Inu into an entire ecosystem. The price of Shiba Inus is going to quadruple tonight, as we'll discuss in this video. Quite large. Shiba Inu. To stay updated on our latest material about Shiba Inu price forecasts and expert analysis, hit the like button, share it, and subscribe to the channel. Now, let's get the video started. With its meteoric rise to meme coin status, Shiba Inu is now one of the 20 largest cryptocurrencies by market valuation. The SHIB team has been consistently making progress on their many initiatives. Significant benchmarks and milestones have been accomplished by the SHIB ecosystem. One of the latest landmarks was Binance's announcement on April 18 that Shiba Inu will no longer be housed in the innovation zone. An announcement recently revealed that the biggest cryptocurrency exchange will be removing Shiba Inu and several other tokens from the innovation zone on April 18. These tokens include FracShare, Trust Wallet Token, 1inch, and others. Introducing the Innovation Zone. Binance aimed to provide a secure environment for users to trade innovative projects, as stated in the release. We expect some of these projects to have demonstrated their value and reach our high standards over time. According to Binance, the exchange has chosen to remove SHIB and the other tokens from the Innovation Zone after thorough evaluations. Binance conducted reviews based on several parameters, and SHIB accomplished this milestone as a result. So, someone tried to stress test the network by writing a script to produce millions of wallets. The beta edition of Shiba Inu Shibarium network, PuppyNet, is still seeing a dramatic increase in the number of hosted wallets, which has people wondering what's causing it. New information suggests that a software was created to create millions of wallets in order to put the network through its paces. A member of the team working on the Shiba Inu NFT project ShipPixelPups recently tweeted about it. The person admitted to writing the software that activated more than 3 million transactions on the beta network and created more than 9 million PuppyNet wallets. The individual went on to say that they were responsible for creating about 1,620 tokens on the test network as well. According to PuppyScan, PuppyNet's official block explorer, there have been more than 3.47 million transactions on the network, and there are presently 13.3 million wallet addresses. You may remember that just 2 days ago, the number of wallets jumped above 5 million, an increase of 86%. This incredible increase was started by this script. The goal of the test network is to provide stakeholders a chance to test the network before it goes live on the mainnet, so they can make sure it works and is reliable. The Shiba Inu chief, Satoshi Kusama, has stressed time and time again that everything you see on the testnet is fake and just there for testing purposes. Building a script to create millions of testnet wallets is an admirable endeavor, as it can help assess the blockchain's efficiency and scalability. It can also aid in the detection of errors that may arise throughout the procedure. In order to determine the network's dependability, stress testing is essential. According to the script's authors, they wanted to test how well the network handled heavy traffic scenarios like airdrops in games. They also said that they did tests to evaluate the network's transaction time, resiliency, and other characteristics, as well as an airdrop script. There are currently no known issues. The SHIB flames in March were really remarkable. With 540 transactions in March, 6.78 billion SHIB tokens were burnt. There was a marked uptick from the prior months in terms of both the total amount of SHIB destroyed and the volume of transactions. The most recent record high burn occurred in March, with 9.05 billion SHIB consumed in October 2022. The SHIB burn tracker revealed yesterday that 25.31 million SHIB, or more than 34.92 million Shiba Inu, were burned in 3 separate transactions. A staggering 2,5,3,1,3,0,9,7 SHIB were sent to the burn address in a one transaction by the Coinbase affiliated wallet Coinbase 10. The total burn rate increased by 1,108% from 2.93 million Shiba the previous day due to this transaction. The futures market also shows signs of an increasing trend. Open interest, OIA, in Shiba Inus has been on the rise since the start of March. Investors' active positions in contracts serve as the metric. Open futures have surpassed 2.4 trillion SHIB, or around $26,780,000, according to data from CoinGlass. As recently as 1 month ago, OI was hovering around $18 million. An indication of the increasing interest from traders in SHIB is the rise in open interest. At the beginning of February, when the SHIB price reached its annual high of $0.00, the OI was $47,300,000. The current price of a Shiba Inu was $0.00. The recent price action for SHIB is consistent with previous discussions on News BTC, an ascending triangle. Hence, the upward trend is still valid. By April's end, we may have seen the last call on whether bulls or bears would win out. Investors are starting to take notice of Shiba Inus recently, because its futures open interest, OI, has just surged to 2.4 trillion tokens, or $27,510,000, following a slow but steady increase that began a month ago. A price explosion is anticipated as this rising trend indicates a resurgence of interest. Total futures contracts that have not been settled or closed out by an offsetting trade are known as futures open interest. It basically stands for the total amount of contracts that market players still have open and are actively holding. In most cases, an exponential growth in an asset's open interest indicates that a large quantity of fresh capital is entering the market and that traders are positioning themselves for potential price changes. From a low of $18,050,000, the open interest in Shiba Inus has climbed by more than 52%, according to data from the futures trading intelligence platform CoinGlass. The value of SHIB tokens has increased from $27,510,000 on March 13 to $2,400,000,000 today. Since the asset's price typically rises in tandem with its open interest, the OI chart shows that there is a correlation between the two. On February 5th, OI reached $3,200,000,000 tokens, a gain of $47,300,000. Along with this, the price of SHIB soared to its highest point this year, 0.0001527 USD on that particular day. But after February 5th, both the asset's price and SHIB's OI began to fall. The value of the open interest is once again experiencing a surge after falling to a low on March 13th. The asset's price, according to investors, will rise in tandem. Binance trade volume has also shown renewed interest in SHIB. Over the previous 4 days, Binance's Shiba Inu volume has progressively risen daily after falling to 1.58 trillion SHIB on April 8th. The current volume for today is 2.44 trillion tokens. While it is in the midst of a protracted consolidation period, SHIB is attempting to break out of an ascending triangle, despite its current underperformance. At its current price of $0.00, the asset has lost 0.97% of its value in the last 24 hours. But if SHIB manages to break out of the triangle, it can aim for the $0.00 highs seen in February. The asset seems to have gained popularity among market participants recently, and if demand increases, it might help achieve its aims. Reported that globally,